Welcome to Releasing Betrayal and Reclaiming Emotional Safety in Love, a deeply healing subconscious journey to help you release the pain of broken trust, soothe the wounds of your heart, and rebuild a foundation of safety within yourself. As you listen, allow every breath to guide you toward peace, letting go of fear, resentment, and hurt, and opening the space for calm, strength, and self-trust to return. This is your moment to feel safe again, to remember that love can begin with you. Now, just relax and let these words sink in deep into your subconscious. Take a deep breath in and gently breathe out. Again, in through your nose and out through your mouth. With every breath, feel your body letting go of tension, as if each exhale carries away the weight of the past. Now, imagine a soft golden light surrounding you. It's warm, protective, safe. With every breath, that light grows brighter, filling you with calm and comfort. You are safe here. You are protected. You are supported. In your mind's eye, see a gentle staircase ahead. 10 steps leading down to deep peace. With each count, drift further inward. 10. Calm. 9. Deeper. 8. Every muscle loose and light. 7. 6. Floating down. 5. Halfway there. 4. Relaxing twice as deeply. 3. 2. Peaceful. 1. You're now in a serene, quiet sanctuary inside your mind. In this calm space, you see your past self, the version of you who felt betrayed or unworthy. They stand before you, carrying the pain you once held. Walk up to them softly Look into their eyes with compassion. Place your hand over their heart and say gently, "You didn't deserve what happened. It was never your fault. You have always been worthy of real, loyal love." Watch their shoulders relax, their expression soften. Now, imagine a golden light flowing from your heart to theirs, cleansing the old hurt, melting the walls that fear once built. You are safe now. The past is over. Love no longer means danger. I release all fear and mistrust. I am free. Feel the golden light spreading through both of you, transforming the pain into peace. Now, allow these truths to sink deep into your subconscious mind. Repeat them slowly, either aloud or silently. I am safe to love and be loved. I trust myself and my choices. I release the past and open my heart to peace. I am worthy of loyal, healthy, lasting love. My heart is strong. My mind is calm. My soul is free. With each repetition, these words become part of you, your new emotional code. Now, see your future self standing tall, confident, radiant. They love freely, without fear. They trust their intuition and attract people who honor their heart. Notice their smile, peaceful, unguarded, strong. That's you, healed, whole, and open. Let that image imprint deeply within your subconscious as proof that you are becoming this version of yourself right now. Take a deep breath in and feel this new energy settle in every cell of your body. The old story is gone. The new one, a story of trust, safety, and inner peace, has taken root. You are free. You are whole. You are safe to love again. When you're ready, begin to return to the present moment. Count from 1 to 5, gently awakening with each number. 1, slowly returning. 2, feeling light and refreshed. 3, bringing peace with you. 4, energy flowing through your body. 5, eyes open, calm, strong, and renewed. Take one last deep breath and smile softly. You are seen. You are cherished. And peace flows endlessly through you.